So question number 1. In how many ways the word formula can be arranged? So we'll see the working. So the given word is formula. So in how many ways you can arrange this word? So you first count the number of letters. So you have 7 letters. So the arrangement will be 7 factorial ways. And factorial is the value got by multiplying all the numbers starting from 7 up to 1. So which is equal to 50, 40. So it is better to remember these values for quick calculations. So 7 factorial is somewhat a fancy number, so it is 50, 40. So you can remember this. And value for 6 factorial will be, so product of numbers from 1 to 6 it is 720, and 5 factorial it is 120. So 3 factorial is 6, 2 factorial is 1 into 2, 1 factorial is 1, and 0 factorial is also 1. So answer for question number 1 is option D, 50, 40. And the working here is as follows. So question number 2. In how many ways the word aptitude can be arranged? So we'll see the working. So here the given word is aptitude. So in this you have 8 letters, and this letter T is repeated twice. Say for example, suppose you are rearranging the letters of the word I. So this is one arrangement, and if I write this E here and this E in this place, so it is the same. So whenever you have repetition of letters, so you divide it by the number of times it is repeated. So here you have 8 letters. So arrangement will be 8 factorial. And now as you have T repeated, you divide it by 2 factorial. And to find value of 8 factorial, so we know that 7 factorial is 50, 40, and 8 factorial will be 7 factorial into 8. So now this multiplication is made easier. So for 8 factorial, multiply 8 with 7 factorial, that is 50, 40. So multiplying this with 8, you get 40, 32, 0. 2 factorial is 2. So answer is 20160. 20,160 ways. And answer for question number 2 is option A, 20,160. And the working is here. So find the number of letters in the word that divided by the factorial of number of times a letter is repeated. So we'll see the next question, question number 3. So from the given digits 2, 8, 7, 5, 3, 1, 4, how many arrangements can be made such that each arrangement always starts or ends with 4 and 8. So we'll see the working. So the digits available are 2, 8, 7, 5, 3, 1 and 2. So So the condition is you have to form a number where the number always starts with 4 and ends with 8. The extreme numbers should be 4 and 8. And now you have 7 numbers, and this 4 and 8 doesn't have any arrangement. So the remaining numbers are 2, 7, 5, 3 and 1. So we have 5 numbers. So we can arrange this in 5 factorial ways. So you can have a number either starting with 4 ending with 8, or starting with 8 and ending with 4. So 2 types of arrangement. So this 5 factorial into 2 will give you number of words. So 5 factorial is 120 into 2 is equal to 240. So you can form 240 numbers. And answer for question number 3 is option C, 240. So here the number of arrangements are made leaving those two numbers 4 and 8 and multiplying it with 2. So we'll see the next question. Question number 4. In how many ways the word promise can be arranged so that the vowels occur together? So we'll see the working. So the word given here is promise. So it has 7 letters, and if arrangement is asked, we can find 7 factorial 50, 40. But there is a condition that vowels should occur together. So in this word, the number of the vowels are O, I and E. The remaining letters are, so you have the 7 letters here. So the vowels occur together. So to find the number of arrangements, taking this vowel as a single letter, you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 letters of 5 factorial, and within this we have internal arrangement. So you can write this as OIE or IEO. So any arrangement as there are 3 letters, so into 3 factorial. So which is equal to 720. So you can have 720 arrangements in this word where vowels are kept together. And answer for question number 4 is option A, 720. So here the vowels are treated as a single letter and the arrangements are made as follows.